Once upon a time, in the kingdom of Everglow, there lived a little Barbie princess named Aurora. She was loved by all for her kindness, wisdom, and adventurous spirit. Aurora had long golden hair that shimmered like the morning sun, and her eyes sparkled like the stars in the night sky. She adored exploring the royal gardens, playing by the crystal-clear lake, and reading about magical creatures in the grand palace library. One evening, as she sat by her bedroom window gazing at the twinkling sky, she noticed a bright streak of light shooting across the heavens. "A falling star," she whispered, clasping her hands together. But as she watched closely, she realized it wasn't a star. It was a glowing creature soaring gracefully through the night sky. Curious, Aurora decided to follow the mysterious glow. She wrapped herself in a warm cloak, tiptoed past the sleeping palace guards, and ventured into the moonlit forest beyond the castle walls. The air smelled of fresh roses and jasmine, and the night hummed with the sounds of rustling leaves and chirping crickets. As she ventured deeper into the woods, she saw a radiant creature standing by a shimmering waterfall. It was a unicorn, its coat as white as freshly fallen snow, and its mane glowing like silver moonlight. The unicorn's horn sparkled with a magical light, illuminating the darkened forest. "Hello there, beautiful creature," Aurora said softly, stepping forward. The unicorn lifted its head, its gentle eyes filled with warmth. "Are you lost?" she asked. The unicorn neighed softly and took a step toward her. Suddenly, a tiny fairy appeared, fluttering beside the unicorn. She was no bigger than Aurora's palm, with shimmering blue wings and a dress that glowed like the dawn sky. "Princess Aurora, this is Celestia, the guardian unicorn of the Enchanted Valley. She needs your help." Aurora's eyes widened. "My help? How can I help a magical unicorn?" The fairy sighed. "An evil sorceress, Malvora, has cast a shadow over the Enchanted Valley, trapping all magical creatures in darkness. Celestia managed to escape, but she must return to break the spell. Only a heart pure and brave can help restore the valley's light." Aurora's heart pounded with excitement. "I will help. Tell me what I must do." The fairy handed her a small crystal pendant. "This is the heart of Everglow. It carries the magic of kindness and courage. You must take it to the crystal fountain in the heart of the Enchanted Valley. When the pendant touches the fountain's waters, the spell will be broken. But beware, Malvora's dark magic is strong, and she will try to stop you." Aurora nodded firmly. "I am ready." She climbed onto Celestia's back, and with a graceful leap, the unicorn soared into the sky. The world below looked like a dream, rolling hills bathed in moonlight, rivers shimmering like silver ribbons, and forests whispering ancient secrets. The wind rushed through Aurora's hair as she held onto Celestia's mane, her heart filled with determination. As they neared the Enchanted Valley, an eerie darkness loomed ahead. The once vibrant land was now covered in thick, swirling mist. The trees stood lifeless, their leaves blackened, and the flowers had wilted into shadows. Aurora felt a chill run down her spine. Suddenly, a sinister cackle echoed through the air. "Foolish princess! You dare to challenge my magic?" A figure emerged from the darkness, Malvora, draped in a cloak as dark as the midnight sky, her eyes glowing with a wicked fire. Aurora clutched the pendant tightly. "I will not let you keep this land in darkness." Malvora raised her staff, sending a wave of dark energy toward them. Celestia neighed and swiftly dodged the attack, soaring higher into the sky. Aurora's heart raced, but she knew she had to be brave. Drawing upon the pendant's magic, Aurora closed her eyes and whispered, "Let kindness and light shine through." The crystal glowed brightly, sending a golden beam of light straight into the sorceress's dark mist. Malvora shrieked as the magic pushed her back. Celestia landed near the crystal fountain, where the waters had turned dull and gray. Aurora leaped off and held the pendant over the water. "Let the light of Everglow return," she declared, dropping the crystal into the fountain. The moment the pendant touched the water, a brilliant light erupted, spreading across the valley. The trees regained their lush green leaves, flowers blossomed in vibrant colors, and the mist lifted, revealing a land more beautiful than Aurora had ever imagined. Malvora let out one final scream, before vanishing into the shadows. The fairy reappeared, smiling. "You did it, Princess Aurora. The Enchanted Valley is saved." Celestia neighed joyfully, bowing before Aurora in gratitude. The other magical creatures of the valley emerged, pixies, talking animals, and even glowing fireflies, all dancing in celebration. With a heart full of joy, Aurora climbed back onto Celestia's back. They soared homeward, the stars twinkling above them. As they reached the palace, Aurora knew she would never forget this adventure. She had learned that true magic comes from within, the magic of courage, kindness, and a heart willing to help others. And so, the Little Barbie Princess and the Enchanted Unicorn became a legend in Everglow, a tale passed down through generations, reminding all that light will always conquer darkness. The end.